In the past, Galactic Productions has created such classic films as Unlabeled and Robo-A-Go-Go. Now, they're working on their most ambitious project yet. Bird Calls 2008.
We're all really avid bird watchers. We all do that on our free time all together. So we just like birds. So this was the first thing that came to mind.
Bird Calls 2008 is the first documentary by Galactic Productions and features over 100 different bird calls, including the blue jay, the sparrow, the Japanese white eye, the yellow-faced grass squid, This 90-minute feature comes with great bonus features like director's commentary, deleted scenes, and even an audio CD, so you can listen to the bird calls anywhere.
I like birds, all sorts of colors. I've always been a fan of the blue jay, but lately the oriole is one I've really gained to like because of its diversity.
Striking look, too.
Striking look, and its bird call is just
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Bird Calls 2008. Coming this summer from Galactic Productions.
What? I like birds!